Step 1 in my morning routine is Mer The Cleansing Foam. Now that my face is ready for exfoliation, I will use Biologique Recherche Lotion P50 and a cotton pad. Saturate the cotton pad with water so it's slightly wet and apply a few drops of the lotion on it. Now slightly press it all over your face and the neck. Now I'm going to use Guerlain Abeille Royale Double Serum to renew and resculpt contours. Now I move into my moisturizer, which is a day cream from Guerlain Abeille Royale series, and I like to mix it with Dior booster from Countour Youth Collection. The serum will give you illuminating glow all over your face. The next step of my morning routine is Guerlain La Creme Contour for the eyes from Orchidee Imperiale collection. Now I'm going to apply my favorite lip moisturizer, Clinique Repairwear Intensive Lip Treatment.